Hi everyone, it's Brendan Shaw here with another construction update for Trillium at City Gardens here in February 2024. With the mild winter, construction has been moving along nicely. We're excited to showcase the 12th level under construction, which is about halfway done. Our construction crews have been busy starting the window wall, and inside they've been working on plumbing and fire suppression systems. If you haven't had the opportunity to visit our construction site recently, our crane being raised is something to be seen. Visit our show suite Thursday through Sunday 11 to 3, which is located at 238 4th Avenue in downtown Kamloops, or visit us online at kamloopscitygardens.ca.